Hello everyone, good evening. It's already 9 p.m. We're just gonna go buy medicine for my son in Mercury Drug. Let's go. So that's Baguio City, SM Baguio City. That's SM. It's like Christmas season now in Baguio. It's cold, windy. You can feel Christmas. We are here in Camp Allen, so we're just gonna walk down, and it's already Central Business District. This is Santo Niño Church. This is Camp Allen. We're just gonna go down there. That's already the gate. So let's go. I'll show you a few places on our way to Mercury Drug. So we're gonna buy medicine for my son. Let's go. It's nice to walk. So this is the Camp Allen gate. This gate closes at 10 p.m. So if you don't have decal, you're not allowed to go inside. And there is going to Bukaucan and Nagilian or Quirino Highway. This is Upper Apanaw. That's Bulwagan ng Katarungan. That's City Hall there, Bulwagan ng Katarungan. That road is going to Legarda Road. If you go down here, going to Bukaucan Road or La Trinidad. If you go to the left, going to Nagilian. Start walking. We're gonna go down, going to Abanao. That's SM already. This is 911. This is also Baguio Fire Station, Baguio's bravest. We're just gonna go down there. That's Baguio City Hall. This is Baguio City Hall. This is the public market. Going to public market. That's Station 7. Police Station 7. That is Baguio City Hall. We're gonna go down. This is Police Station 7. That is Shell Station, gasoline station. They are fixing the sewer, water drainage. This is the Baguio overpass. Apanaw Square. Maharlika. So we're here, Chowking. There's also BDO here. Mercury Drug, we're here. 24 hours. Ay, thank you. That's BPI from the overpass. So we already bought my son's medicine. Let's go back home. Okay, let's try to pass here also. This is Empire's, the old Empire Cinema. There's the famous Jack's restaurant. So we're gonna pass. It's going to Baguio City Market. So here we are, Baguio City Market. At this time, jeeps, public utility jeepneys are not that easy to ride na because it's late. So let's walk here. And that, if you walk here, that's again the Bulwagan ng Katarungan. It's just like a different way. And that is Police Station 7. Truck. My son loves trucks. That's why I take a lot of videos of trucks. We're gonna walk here. Anyways, I hope the city did not make this. They should have just made a simple sidewalk. Because when it's raining, this gets very slippery. I almost fell down a few times, even if I'm avoiding this. So there. That's Station 7. So here, we're again here. So we're back here in Baguio Fire Station. And again, we're back in Camp Allen. Also, the old Filipino jeepneys. So, okay, let's go home. Let's go home. So we're going back again. Camp Allen, Santo Niño Chapel. Lord, please always protect us all. Shower us with blessings. Thank you always for keeping us healthy, safe. and protected. Thank you for joining me. More blessings to all of us.